Ladies, have you ever wondered what it truly takes to be irresistible? Well, your journey to magnetic allure begins right here with The Women Men Adore. This extraordinary guide, grounded in real-life examples and practical facts, is your key to unlocking lasting results. Crafted by the experienced expert, Bob Grant, it's not just a book, it's a transformative journey. How does it work? The Women Men Adore is a well-organized guide, divided into chapters, each addressing specific facets of attraction. It's designed for easy comprehension and application, ensuring you seamlessly integrate its teachings into your life. Whether you're a single woman dreaming of the perfect match or a married woman wanting to reignite passion, this guide has you covered. Learn how to be completely appealing, win hearts, and build lasting unions. Worried about commitment? Enjoy the confidence of a 60-day refund guarantee. If you're not satisfied, your money is promptly returned. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your love life. The Women Men Adore is not just a book, it's your guide to a more magnetic, irresistible you. Click the link below, and let the journey begin. Subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for a life-changing experience.